this presentation, we are going to see half adder and full adder. The objective of adder is to realize the half adder circuits using basic gates to realize full adder using two half adders. Procedure: check the components for their working, insert the appropriate IC into the IC base, make connections, verify the truth table, and we should observe the outputs. Half adder. A half adder is a combinational circuit needs two binary inputs and two binary outputs. The input variables designate the origin and the addend bits. The output variables produce the sum and carry. The half adder can be implemented with an exclusive or and an AND gate. Truth table for half adder. The inputs are given as A and B and the outputs as carry and sum. If A is 0 and B is 0, the carry is also 0 and sum is also 0. If A is 0, B is 1, carry is 0 and sum will be 1. If A is 1, B is 0, carry is 0 and sum will be 1. If two of the inputs are 1, the carry will be 1 and sum will be 0. K-map for sum and carry are given. If A is 1 and B is 0, it is added to the box, and A is 0, B is 1 and that 1 is also added. If A is 1 and B is also 1, the 1 is added to the box. Circuit design of half adder. It consists of two inputs, XOR gate, AND gate, and the two outputs, sum and carry. The working of half adder is shown here. Two gates, XOR and AND gate, and two inputs using a toggle switch. And two outputs with the light bulb. And the labels of the inputs are given as A and B. And for the gates, XNOR and AND gate. For the output, we have labeled as sum and carry. Now we are going to give the connections. If both the inputs are 0, the sum has 1. If one of the input is 1, both the outputs are 0. If both the inputs are 1, the sum has 1 and the carry also has 1. Full adder. A full adder is a combinational circuit that forms an arithmetic sum of input. It consists of 3 inputs and 2 outputs. A full adder is useful to add 3 bits at a time. In full adder, some output will be taken from XOR gate, carry output will be taken from OR gate. Truth table for full adder. The 3 inputs A, B, C are given and the outputs carry and sum are given. And also came up for sum and carry also given here. We should place 1 in the respective boxes as A0 and BC as 0, 1. The 1 is placed in the respective box. And if A is 1 and BC are 0, 0, the 1 is placed in the respective box. Like that, the 1 are placed in the sum and carry the K-map. The circuit design for full adder is shown here. 3 inputs ABC and 2 outputs sum carry and 5 gates as 2 XOR, 2 AND gate and 1 OR gate. The working of full adder is shown here. Three inputs using the toggle switch as A, B, C and the gates as 2 XOR gate, 2 AND gates and 1 XOR OR gate. And the sum and carry as outputs. The connections are given. And we can see the working of full adder now. If one of the input is 1, the sum has 1. If 2 inputs has 1, the carry has 1. If 3 of the inputs has 1, the sum and carry has 1.